Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to install the Primavera P6 Professional on Windows PC. Okay, so now let's get started. You need to download the software first from the internet to the PC and then click on setup button here to set up the software on the PC. First step, I will select the default option type code. Okay, and then click on install button. We need to wait until the download is done for some necessary file from the internet. Okay, and in this video you can see that I'm using a Primavera P6 Professional version 19. Okay, okay, and click on OK button. On this step you have to select the drive type. I will select option P6 Pro Standalone allows SQL line. And on this database connection, I will select the second option. Add a new standalone database and connection. Click on next button. On this step, you have to do some registration for the account. You provide the login name, username, the password, and also re-enter the password. For the base currency, you left it by default for the USD. Okay. Click on next. Okay, so here I will keep this one by default. And you can also able to change the location. Check load sample data if you want to install the sample data for the project. Okay, finish. That means for now you have just installed the Primavera P6 successfully on the Windows PC. Okay, click on start button here and you can see that we have some shortcuts for our Primavera here. In cases you cannot find the icon of Primavera in the start, you can type in the search box to find the software. Okay. On this step, you have to provide the login for account and password. You have do some registration before. So now select the language and database by default and click on connect button here to do some connection to database. Okay, starting. This is a warning message. It says that you have to select the appropriate industry for your organization. Okay. Okay, and this one is the default interface of Primavera P6 Professional 19 on running on my Windows PC. Okay, and basically on the top we have some menu navigation, and on the left hand here you can see that we have some the shortcut. Okay, we can create new folder, add new the resources, or something like so. I will show you more detail in another video later on. Okay, and on the left hand of this documentation, you can see that we have we have a section to enter the tag name, and on the right hand, you can see that we have the time scale, or you can call it the Gantt chart in the project. Okay. In the bottom, we have some menus, general notebook, budget log, spending plan, budget summary, there, spending cost, default, resources, testing, and calculation. Okay, that means you are able to quickly to do some the review for resources, for the budget, or something like so in one screen. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to install Primavera on the Windows PC. And I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.